going on? Thank you for clicking on this video. So this is my introduction to the 48 Laws of Power, which I'll be discussing in 3 minutes or less and describing it and how you can use it to your advantage. So I just want to leave this as a disclaimer. This is the most important video. If there's a video that's the most important, not law, but the overarching view of it, it is this. And it's that, remember that we are all humans. Remember that you use this to your advantage, but everybody else around you also has themselves. So just keep that in mind, that don't use this for negative things. I'm sharing this information so you can grow yourself, so you can evolve, so you can get yourself to where you want to be with control and with power. But I don't mean to share negativity so you can implement negative things to control people. I don't want that at all. I don't want to shed negativity or share negativity. This is all for positive light. This is all for upbringing. This is all for bringing my soldiers with me. That's what it is. So remember that. That's the most important thing I want to say. It's not good to be a bad person. It's clearly not good to be a bad person, but it's good to get your way sometimes and to get control in the way that you want things to work. So I'll be breaking down the laws on here, 1 through 48, and in 3 minutes or less. So I really hope you guys enjoy this. Remember to subscribe if you mess with the content, because I got content coming every single day, 2 videos a day. So yeah, I love you. Thank you for your support, and enjoy.